Okay, so how we learn how to draw a horse, like I did early. Okay, so this is what we do first. So we do like a line here, like this, then do that. It's okay when you messed up.
How, baby?
Like, actually make an eye first. And then after our head, we do like this. Okay, and then we have, okay, so we to make your ears, we make like a D, but the half of the D. We didn't make this. That's wrong. That's like a D more. This one, the half. Okay. And then the hair like going like an S. And then attach it to her head. Okay, and then how to make the other ear, we just make it like a leaf or like a, okay, and then this one. We make another one. Okay, for her neck, we're gonna above under her ear to make the neck. Okay, so we're gonna attach it and make a leg like that. And then make a curve. Okay, and the belly part we make it curve. Okay, and then we make another leg. But wait, attach it. Okay, after that we do like a roller coaster, like. Hey. Never mind, it looks good.
Okay.
And then we make another curve. Okay, and then this one.
Yeah.
Okay, since my mommy already has it. Yeah, good. Okay, and we make the nose like this. Okay, now we make the other face. Make sure it's like this, like, make sure this. Good mom. Okay, now we make another line. And you could add details.
Show them my drawing.
Cute. Okay, mommy, color.